Hey guys, have you ever had this problem where you get an ice storm or even just a little bit of snow melt and you can't open your doors? I'm going to show you how to fix that today. So what causes your doors to stick is actually that moisture gets in the seal, in these seals right here, and then it freezes to the steel right there. So what you need to do is seal up these seals so that they don't absorb moisture. So what you're going to do is get yourself some of this silicone lubricant like this, and you're going to spray some of that onto a paper towel and then rub it onto your seal right here and get plenty of that silicone smeared onto that seal, and then you won't have this problem where your doors don't open. Break that first layer of ice, opens right up. So I did that and I haven't had any problems with it since. Works really well. Here's a bonus tip for you. Get a bag of really hot water. This is cooling down now, but you can still see that works there. Just melts the ice. This is only lukewarm now. I've already melted the windshield, but works really well, especially when it's really hot. So there you can go. You see it melt the ice really quick and easy. Works a lot better than the scraper, or if you just get the ice melted so you can just basically push it off with the scraper. Works really well. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thank you for watching.